Notion for Student. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Notion.so and log in using your Gmail account. Once you're inside, look at the private menu on the left-hand side. Then click Add New and choose the Build with AI button. For this example, I'm creating a study planner for a biology exam. Just type your prompt and let Notion AI generate the content for you. Once it's done, your biology exam planner will be ready to use. You can always edit the tasks, topics, or deadlines to fit your personal schedule. Next, I'll show you another demonstration using a more specific prompt. This time, I'm including the number of participants and their names in the Water Rocket Science project. This helps if you're planning to study with a group or manage shared responsibilities. After the AI finishes generating the content, simply click Continue and then Finish. And that's it. You now have a fully functional, AI-assisted Water Rocket Science project progress tracker. Remember, you can always customize the table and content freely to match your needs.